Hey guys, I woke up this morning and I saw these creatures standing outside my car. I don't know where they came from, and to be honest, I don't know what they want. We've been trying to destroy these creatures for hours, and no matter what we do, they just come back to life. I must create a weapon to eradicate these beings from my home. And I think I know what just might work. Now that I have a brand new saw blade that I could use to create more projects, I will instead destroy it and create an axe. Now I have to be careful, because if they catch wind of what I am doing, they might plot to destroy me. Now that my axe head is cut out absolutely terribly, we are now going to improperly use the grinder to fix it. After doing an awful job grinding down these edges, I decided to take it to my belt sander where it would be a lot easier. Now that I got the shape to where I want it, I need to look for a handle. As nice and lightweight and flexible as this handle might be, it's not really what I'm looking for. But after searching in my backyard for approximately 3 minutes, I finally found the perfect tree. And now that I have my tree, I am going to skip grabbing a ruler and sketch the most crooked line I have ever drawn in my life. Perfect. Now, after forgetting to record the process of mounting the head into the handle, I decided just to take a shower.
Oh my god. What are they doing?
But my bathtub was occupied, which motivated me to finish up my project even faster. Now my best friend told me to get the end of your handle to perfection, you must rub it constantly. And the more you rub it, the smoother and harder it gets. I got a little bored of the shape, so I decided to draw a new shape that would add a little bit more style to it. Now that I have the shape drawn, I'm gonna completely forget to film cutting it out and showing you how to stain the handle, and I'm also gonna forget to show you how I painted it. But no need to fear, I'm gonna show you how to ruin your axe immediately by painting it incorrectly and not waiting long enough for it to dry. Now that my axe is complete, it is time to hunt. It turns out my fear has came true. They have joined together in my backyard to try and destroy me and take over my home. I will not allow that to happen. If you guys enjoyed that video, please help me out by clicking that like and subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you.